สวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับ
เดี๋ยวรอน้องบินได้ค่ะเดี๋ยวรอน้องบินมาถ้าน้องกลับมาโอ้ไปมั่มไปอะไรโอ้ไอ้เงี้ยเอามาเร็วเอาชื่อไป
สวัสดีครับWelcome to this is the front of Hoi Tung Tau on the north end of Chiang Mai Canal Road. This is the Cowboy Farm area where people come and fly their kites over there, and you can come and sit at the restaurants as well and do the ATVs and that sort of thing. But there's a reservoir here on the side of the canal, and you can actually see sheep and goats running around in that area. On a Wednesday evening, this group, which are not the same as the group I've been taking you to over in Hoi Lan at Sangampeng, that's the Wiang Ping free-flying bird independent group. This is a different group, and these are free-flying bird lovers, or lovers of free-flying birds. And they've got same sort of birds, different birds, and they've got the same sort of idea. They put them into little cages here, group them all together and socialise them up together, and then mass release them, and then off they go out. Look at this lovely macaw flying around. Beautiful. This little fella's on my shoulder. He's quite happy here. Lovely fella. Hello. Gorgeous. They're waiting for somebody to come because they don't want to release them before they get here. They're just arriving as we're waiting to release them. It gets so excited, honestly. It's a great sort of build-up and a crescendo of excitement and the noise. Oh, here he comes. Oh, he's going to sit up in the tree. Yeah, he's sat up in the tree. Yeah, it's very good. Oh, no, he's off again. Ah, come on. We're getting a bit restless in here now. Oh my goodness, he's going over the far side. Will he come back? Oh, he'll come back, I'm sure. My goodness me, he's made it to the far, up to the top of that tree there. Right, now you're going to let the front of this cage down, and the cage drops down, and away they go. Hello.
ก่อน
You've just had a nice flight, haven't you? Yeah.
หาพยงก่อน
Oh, I've got another one on the other shoulder now, look. Hello.
พยง
คนหลงนกมานี่แล้วนกเขาอยู่ไหน
เนี่ยพี่
จอดรถแล้วก็ปล่อยเลยอ่ะ
ปล่อยไปแล้วมั้งน่ะโอ้เต็ม
Oh my goodness, there's
เลยจะให้ถือคานมานี่
lovely. There's 4 macaws not in this group. How fascinating. And there's now 5 macaws. Look at this. Oh, how beautiful is that?
ย่าก็อยู่กับเขาด้วย
เนี่ยตัวหางยาวๆเนี่ยข้างล่างสุด
อะไรไม่ต้องห่วงเฮ้ยอะไรเนี่ยโอ้ฟังเลยค่ะ
ดูนกกันเนอะ
Well, there's a parrot up the top of that tree there. The people have gone over there. They're throwing sticks to try to dislodge the parrot from sitting on top of the tree. Well, there's another stick. He won't come down.
สวยมากเลยอ่ะ
ย่างครับย่าง
โบ
ขึ้นไปเลยไอคอนเองเคยเอาคอนอันนี้เลี้ยงคิดกับ
Well, I don't know about you. I never get tired of looking at this. You can see it, week after week, and it's maybe some of the same birds. They sound the same, they look the same, but some of their characters are different, and the personalities of the keepers are different as well. But the scene here is very nice with the water in front and this, the backdrop of Doi Suthep and Doi Pui behind me, with the sun going down over the back of it. Nice blue sky in front of me with some white fluffy stuff. The birds going up as a group, as a murmuration, as I've learnt to say, all turning in the same direction and then swooping down and swooping back up again, all together. It's fantastic. They have this common communication between them, whether they be macaws or parakeets or budgerigars or the other birds that are here, other types of parakeet and parrot. It's fabulous to see. It's really lovely, and I never get tired of it. I could see it day after day because it's so lovely to see them fly around. I know they're in cages when they're brought here, and they keep them contained whilst they're here prior to letting them all release, because otherwise, they just go berserk. But when they're out, they're flying around, they're all going in their own directions, and they're free to fly. And that's what this group is called, Free Flying Bird Lovers. Anyway, I'll love you and leave you, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.
เดี๋ยวรถมาขอนะ
ไปเองสิอย่าว่าไปไปเองแล้ว
ไม่ทันเสร็จเลยเจอนกนะหลวงของมันมีบ้าที่บินกันให้ตัวเดียวเลยฝนจะไม่มีตื้นของมันมีบ้าที่บินกันให้ตัวเดียวเลย